Hey guys, my name is Mahan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to paint realistic lips. First of all, I draw a general shape of lips. Then I fill with flat color. Well, erase extra parts. I draw some line for teeth. Add new layer and put some light color for teeth area. The color of drawing is pretty close to the base. It's hard to recognizing forms, so I change it to multiply mode and reduce the opacity to half. Now you can see better the forms. While erase where the color pop out. I fill key elements with flat colors. I reduce the saturation of teeth line. Add new layer above the teeth layer, white part. Right click on the layer, choose clipping mask. Now paint some shadow of the upper lip to show better the form of the teeth. Reduce the opacity a bit. Do the same thing for lips. Add new layer above that, right click on the layer, then choose clipping mask. By this way you can paint freely on the lips without worrying that might be the color popping out of the edges. Select all the layers, then with Ctrl T transform them to bigger size. Now select skin color and color around the lips with hard round pressure brush. Raise this part to show the line that upper lip is over to the downer one. Now choose darken tone to paint the shadows. Change it to multiply mode, reduce opacity and also saturation. I start erasing some part of the skin color. I erase with small brush. It seems that I put some lines with basic colors of the lips. Some of them are really thin and the other pretty white. Avoid repeating exactly same lines. Always in painting or drawing you should have a rhythm in forms, shapes and even distance. Anything. Upper lip need more lightness. And the same as the downer lip, erase some lines. Well, I've added more volume to the lips by introducing hints of light, strong lightness here. And also here to show that this area is pretty wet. Let's increase the contrast by adding more red in the center. There is general shadow on the teeth because they are in back of the lips, so they never remain pure white. And highlights. At the end, with selection tool, choose this area and put the color. Change it to multiply mode and fade it with motion blur. You have to go to the filter menu, blur, and select motion blur. By changing the angle, you can change the direction that the colors fade. Erase some part of that. I choose the lightest color and put strong highlight on the downer lip. Increase lightness with Ctrl U. Transform the shape of them with Ctrl T. And also placement. Refine the painting and add bits of details. It completely depends on you how much you want to work on it. Take your time and enjoy. Remember, always find good reference and take close look at your reference. Study its color and values. Well, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked it and subscribe my channel.